enchanted food. In the Mahabharata, the Pandavas lost everything in the game of dice to the Kauravas and had to live in forest for 12 years. During this period, they had to constantly move from place to place for safety and to meet their daily needs. One day, in the 12th year, the Pandava brothers wandered deep into the forest in pursuit of a deer.
Dear brother, I am tired, very tired, and so thirsty.
Yes, I am.
I am also tired.
Yes, brother. I am also tired.
Yes, we are tired.
Nakula, climb the tree and see whether there is any pool or river nearby.
Okay, brother. At a little distance, I see water plants and cranes. There must certainly be water there.
Nakula, go there and fetch some water to drink.
Okay. Now I go there. Wow! What a pure water! What a transparent water! First I drink the water.
Stop, Nakula! Don't drink water!
Who is that?
Oh, son of Madri, this pool belongs to me. Answer my question and then drink the water.
Why did not Nakula return Sadeva? Go and find him.
Okay, brother, I will go. Nakula, where are you? Where did he go? Oh, Nakula, are you there? Nakula, what happened, Nakula? What happened? Wake up, Nakula, wake up. I am very thirsty. First drink water.
Stop, Sahadeva, stop! Don't drink the water. This pool is mine.
Who the hell are you? I drink water.
It has been a long time since Sahadeva has not even returned. Arjuna, you go and find them.
Okay, brother, I will go immediately. Oh, Nakula, oh, Sahadeva, where are you? Are you there? Where are you? Nakula, Sahadeva, wake up. What happened? Tell me. I am very thirsty. First, I drink the water.
Stop! Answer my question before you drink the water. This pool is mine. If you disobey me, you will follow your brothers.
Who are you? Come and stand up to me, and I will kill you.
Your arrows can't touch me, Arjuna.
Dear brother, even Arjuna, the great hero, has not returned. Something trouble must have happened to our brothers. Please find them quickly.
Yes, brother, I will go immediately. What happened, my dear brothers? What happened? I am very thirsty. I drink water first.
Stop, Bhima! Don't drink the water. This pool is mine.
Do you know about me? I have the strength of 16,000 elephants.
nobody has returned. They must have something trouble. I will go now.
Oh, where are they? Oh, Nakula, Sadeva, oh, Arjuna, Bhima, where are you? What happened? Wake up, wake up. Arjuna, wake up. Bhima, wake up, wake up.
I am very thirsty. I drink the water.
Stop, Yudhishthira. Your brothers died because they did not heed my words. Do not follow them. Answer my question first, then quench thirst. This fool is mine.
Oh, I know that these could be none other than the words of Yaksha. Okay, please ask your questions.
Oh, Yudhishthira, what makes sunshine every day?
Oh Yakshadeva, the power of God.
Oh, Dharmaraya, what rescues man in danger?
Sashmishta, courage.
Dharmaja, what is more nobly sustaining than the earth?
The mother who brings up the children.
Tell me, Kunti Putra, what is faster than the wind?
My answer is mind.
What befriends a traveler?
Oh Deva, learning.
O son of Kunti, who is the friend of one who stays at home? Tell me,
The wife.
who accompanies the soul in its solitary journey after death?
Dharma, that alone accompanies the soul in the solitary journey after death.
Which is the biggest vessel?
The earth, which contains all within itself, is the greatest vessel.
Dharmaraya, what is happiness?
Happiness is the result of good conduct.
What is that abounding which man becomes loved by all?
Pride, for abandoning that man will be loved by all.
O Pandava Graja, what is the loss which brings joy and not sorrow?
Anger, giving it up, we will no longer be subjected to sorrow.
What is that by giving up which man becomes wealthy?
Desire, getting rid of it, man becomes wealthy.
What makes one a real Brahmana? It is birth, good conduct, or learning? Answer decisively.
Birth and learning do not make one a Brahmana. Good conduct alone does. However learned a person may be, he will not be a Brahmana if he is a slave to bad habits.
What is the greatest wonder in the world?
Every day men see creatures depart to Yamas, above and at those who remain seek to live forever. This verily is the greatest wonder.
O king, one of your dead brothers cannot be revived. Whom do you want revived? He shall come back to life.
May the cloud complexioned, lotus eyed, broad chest, and long armed Nakula, lying like a fallen ebony tree, arise.
Why did you choose Nakula in preference to Bhima, who has the strength of 16,000 elephants? I have heard that Bhima is most dear to you. And why not Arjuna, whose powers in arms is your protection? Tell me, why you choose Nakula rather than either of these two?
O Yaksha, Kunti and Madari were the two wives of my father. I, a son of Kunti, am surviving, and so she is not completely bereaved. So, to be fair, I ask that Madari's son Nakula be revived.
Oh Yudhishthira, listening to your answer has made me very happy, and I granted that all your brothers will come back to life. Raja, come, come. Only a few days remain to complete the stipulated period of your exit in the forest. The 13th year will also pass by. None of your enemies will be able to discover you. You will successfully fulfill your undertaking.
Namo Namaha Yamadeva, Namo Namaha.